welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Winter, and for today's video it's going to be a February favorites and like. Oh my god guys, February literally flew by and I have no idea where the 2 months of 2018 went, but we're already in March. Seriously, what's going on? Like, time really needs to slow down. So anyway, today's video is about February favorites, and for this month of February I managed to try out so many new products and I found a couple of amazing ones and I'm gonna share it with you. So the first product that I'm gonna show you guys is the Superface NG corrector. So basically this is a corrector in a stick form. So whenever you scrub your makeup on your face, you just basically whip this out. It's in the shape of a crayon. Just wipe it on any areas that your hand doesn't want to listen and use a Q-tip and remove it, and instantly it will get rid of your mistakes and your makeup will look flawless again. So the reason why I'm starting out with this NG corrector is because I often find myself like messing up my mascara like so. So I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit on that mess and it's already removing the mascara, and I'm just gonna swipe it off. And ta-da! Blend away the edges and I have perfect makeup again. So yeah, it has been really helpful for me because in the mornings I'm always rushing, and when you have like a shot of coffee, my hands are always like and mascara is all over the place. So this has been a really good savior for me and I totally do not regret buying it. Next up, I have a primer. So this is Guerlain L'Or. It is the Gold Infused Primer, and I don't know why, whenever I apply this primer, my makeup looks amazing. I have it on today and like, look at my skin. It's flawless, and I always feel like, I'm not too sure if it's because of the gold flakes, like my face feels more lifted and tighter. Like, I don't really have this V shape on a normal basis. Seriously, I ate so much every single day, and especially when I was in Milan, so this is because of this. So basically it is a gel consistency like so. So one pump is more than enough, and there's tiny gold flakes inside. It smells great, and as you blend into your hand, it becomes a watery finish and the gold flakes just melts into your hand. It's a very good morning like pick me up kind of primer, and your skin will definitely love you for it. I totally know why this is so pricey, because this is amazing. Next up for the face, I have Urban Decay's All Nighter Waterproof Full Cover Concealer. So if you guys know me really well, the Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer has been my ride or die. I've been through like freaking 30 tubes of that shit. It's the best concealer to conceal all acne breakouts. But recently I've put this to the test. Usually whenever I use this, I'll try to use it on my under eyes, but I feel like it's a little bit too heavy. So I decided to use it on my spots instead, and it is amazing. Like, a little goes a long way. So you just want to dab a tiny bit and blend it out. First time I used it, it became like freaking foundation on my face. So yeah, this is full coverage. It lasts the entire day. Tried and tested, and it's amazing. It's freaking beautiful on the skin. So now I have 2 concealers to cover my spots. Like, I'm not giving up my Makeup Forever one anyway. The little devil is here to find me. Hello! Hi darling! Did I film video? You see here? Say hello!
Hello!
Hi! What's your name? Me! Your name is Shen Shen. Arisa. I love you.
I love you.
Hi guys, so it's been a couple of hours. I brought the demon out to play. So that's why the light is a little bit like horrible now. Anyway, I have with me the new McDonald's chocolate pie, so I'm just gonna try it because Chloe recommended it to me and she said it's really nice, so I'm gonna try it. I'm hungry. This is good. Oh my god. I'm amazed that McDonald's actually has such a nice pie, because I don't really buy McDonald's often. Okay, so let's get to the main point, which is the favorites. Next up, the favorites that I have is Makeup Forever Artist Hydra Bloom Lip Balm, and this is the kind of like the Your Lips But Better lip balm. So it gives you a very slight tint, but it's super moisturizing. Like, the color is really beautiful. I'm so sorry for the lighting. I think you can see it better this way. So I've been using this the entire time when I was in Europe because it was so dry and I didn't have enough water with me, so this was the only thing that kept my lips from peeling. Thank you Makeup Forever for like keeping my lips still kissable and soft. And then moving on to eyes, I had the Full Face with Bycast collaboration palette, and this is really beautiful. I'm seriously obsessed with the shadows. Like, the colors are beautiful. The only thing I feel is that they should have like a darker shade for you to blend out and smoke things out. So like maybe a black or a dark brown or a dark plum or a burgundy, because the shades here are quite saturated. So we have like orange and like hot pink, which is really very cast, and gold. This is freaking beautiful. Like, and I love the, what is this, the formula of the shadows, because they're kind of like creamy and buttery, but when you apply it on your hands, it's bam! It's pigmentation right there. So it's super pigmented and I just am obsessed with this palette. So this is how oh crap, bro, this is gorgeous. So this is freaking beautiful and one of the most beautiful palettes that I ever own. So since I need to remove the swatches on my fingers before I dirty anything else, I'm gonna show you my next favorite, which is the Medicube Red Cleansing Pad. So it comes in a tub of like 70, I think. And this cleansing pad is freaking amazing. Like, it's a little bit pricey. I think it's like about 50 cents a pad or something like that. I'm not very sure. But it removes your entire face of makeup with just one pad. Tried and tested. I tried it on camera. I use this every single day. I'm definitely repurchasing this. So I have with me the pad on my hands and just swipe it off. Everything is gone except my bruise. Seriously, one pad is enough to remove like anything waterproof, full coverage foundation, your insane eyeshadow and all that crap. This is the balm. Then another eyeshadow palette that I'm obsessed with is the Urban Decay with Kristen Lian collaboration. So this is the Kaleidoscope Dream. I realized that I just can't say no to my destiny, which is like freaking colors. Like, Kaleidoscope is my fave, hands down. So it has all the most beautiful colors inside. It's such a beautiful play of colors, and I managed to meet Kristen Lian in person, all thanks to Urban Decay Singapore. So thank you so much. This is like the most amazing time, and like I really love you guys for being so wonderful. And this palette, anyway, back to the palette, is so awesome. It's really pigmented, like no shit, bro. Everything is so well thought out. Like, I just played with this color. What? Tell me about it. Like, Urban Decay hands down has the best shadows that I ever own, and look at that gorgeous pigmentation. The color plays are amazing, and I just feel like this is one of the most exciting collaborations of the year. Super shout out to this palette. I am obsessed. Moving on, we are on to my skincare favorites. So I have two with me today. First up is the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence, and this is seriously the bomb, and I can't stop using it every single day. I travel with it all the time, even though the bottle is so big and it's made of glass. It's damn heavy, by the way. But I would never forget to leave these because it's really great for your skin. It has like this anti-pollution effect, so that, you know, in the environment there's a lot of like dust and like free radicals and crap. This will protect your skin, and I've never felt my skin glow so naturally. I feel more confident going foundation free ever since I started using this. Even though I have active acne and stuff, but my skin is translucent, my skin is shiny, not because it's oily, it's shiny because it's glowing. My skin is just beautiful, and it's all thanks to this Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. The name is so long. If you guys are wondering if it's worth the try, I would say definitely. The price tag is a little bit like heavy, like it's $100 over, but I would definitely purchase this when I'm out of it. Now to my last skincare favorite, I have the Body Shop Tea Tree Night Mask because my skin has been breaking out crazily. This tea tree night mask has been helping to calm it down, to make it less red and to make it less flared out. It has like this gel formula and it kind of feels like a memory consistency. It smells strongly of tea trees, might be slightly sensitive for you because it does sting your skin a little bit, but trust me, the morning when I wake up, I notice that my flares are less red, they are less angry, and if I pop the pimple, it will be flat. And yeah, I think this is freaking magic. Music favorite for the month of February, and it is White Noise by Ella Vo. So this, I heard this in my GrabHitch car, and I was like, dude, your playlist is freaking dope, it's amazing. And he was like, okay, I'm gonna send you snaps of my playlist, and I found this in his playlist and I'm really obsessed, so I'm gonna play it for you guys. Can you guys hear it? Yeah, so basically it's kind of like those very chill, very calming kind of music, and I'm obsessed and I just can't stop listening to this. I don't know the lyrics because I suck at lyrics, but this is my go-to music at the moment, and like this is the reason why I love GrabHitch, by the way, because if you get like a young GrabHitch, he has freaking amazing songs, and I'll be like, Spotify, Shazam! Because I don't have the time to look for new music. Who has it? Somebody just find it for me, man. And but yeah, this dude is so cool. He like sent me screenshots of his Spotify playlist. So who does that? 10 points for you. I rated him 5 stars, I think. And he's cute, so 10 more stars for you. So yeah, that is the roundup of my February favorites. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys found like amazing things in my picks, and yeah, if you guys try anything or have any favorites of the month, definitely leave it in the comments down below. I would love to hear them and I would love to try them because this face needs a lot of work to be done, girl. Yeah. So that's the end of this February's favorite, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!